This is a daily review of Nasdaq 100. Market will close in a few minutes and it has been another very interesting day. So we are getting very close to 25,000. What we see here is a 15-minute overview of what happened today and yesterday. Market yesterday closed with this bar. So it was a news bar. And you can see here the low of yesterday and close of yesterday. We opened a second day gap down, so we opened below low of yesterday. As we can see here in the early hours in Europe, the market trended up. It was targeting this news bar, but we got a second entry short and the market has been trending down for most of the day. Let's look at it on the 5-minute. So here we opened a strong bar number 1. When this happened, it needs continuation, but we also know it's difficult to sell a big bar like bar number 1. It was around 100 points. So yeah, personally I was buying here below and it went almost, not quite, but almost to the top. And then there were sellers and no more buyers, so we got a second leg down. We tested back to the breakout point and got a third leg down. And then some side range trading, and it looks like market would resume up, but 3 good looking bars. But when we reached the almost the top of bar number 5, which was a target for bulls, they gave up and bears took over, and for the rest of the day you can see we have had maximum 2 small bull bars and then bear bars. 1 bull bar, 5 bear bars. So that is yeah, the sign of pretty strong trend. It has just been trending down. Then after bar 51, we went into another trading range. Some sideways trading. I marked the lunch bar here for you. So 7:45 New York time. We tested back. This bar 63 is an interesting bar. You can see that bulls, they were pushing. One time here were rejection bar 59, then they tried again. 2 bars came to the top of the range, and then bulls, they just brought it up. They were targeting the high of bar 49, and they also got up to the top of this trading range, the pink line, and then gave up. So although it's a bull bar, it has a tail, and it was kind of a give up bar. Market drifted lower. We got a wedge, 2 bars, but again only 2 bars, and then another leg down. And bulls just managed in the last minutes of the trading day, that just managed to get back to the low of the lunch bar, the 15-minute bar before 2 p.m. in Eastern time, New York time, if you will. So Weak day for the bulls, nice day for the bears. Let's look at it on the daily. Yesterday I talked about that we had a target at 22,500. We didn't get there today, but as you can see, we definitely broke out of this strong trading range on the daily, where we have been for a long period. We broke actually out here last Friday. Then we have a couple of days, Monday, Tuesday, where we try to get back into the range. It was rejected, and we got a strong breakout yesterday, and we got continuation today. So very weak market. We are trending lower, it seems. Where will we find support? There is support in this area, but will be interesting to see where we are going next week. Will there be enough support here, or will we go all the way back to 20,000? Let's see. But an interesting week, and but that's all for now. So have a great afternoon, and see you next week. Bye for now.